Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password of Nationwide Online Banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Nationwide Bank. Now, click on Login to Online Banking over here. Now, on the top right, we can see this login option. Simply click on Login to Internet Banking. Now, here we need to enter our customer number, and we need to enter our date of birth. Once you enter your correct details, you can simply click on Continue. After this, we need to enter our password. Since we have forgotten the password, we can click on the Forgotten Password option, which will appear over here on the next page. After we tap on this, we get to reset our password through our email or phone number verification code. Once we are done with that, we can get into the same place again and enter our login details and simply click on Continue. After this, we can get into Nationwide Banking interface. So, this is all we can do to reset our password on Nationwide Online Banking. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.